told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
As Jerry said, cross-handed grip, where his hands are reversed from what a normal right-handed player would have. You can see there, it's really interesting. And Craig, you put his swing in slow motion at home. Tell us about that.
I have. I put it on a super slow motion camera in Lafayette when he played there 3 or 4 years ago, and I was just absolutely amazed. Just go all the way down. His body works as good as anyone that I've ever seen. It's just unusual. He's got so much lag. The positions his body gets in the rotation is similar. People are gonna think I'm crazy, but Ben Hogan, the hand angle, the way the body rotates and the shaft angle and so on and so forth, I was very impressive.
Yeah, you know, I'm naturally left-handed, and growing up, playing baseball, batting left-handed, that's just I hit a baseball obviously left-handed, and my grandfather taught me how to play the game down in Rockledge, Florida, and when I would go down there in the summers, he didn't have any left-handed clubs, so I just took right-handed clubs and held them like a left-handed baseball bat and started playing that way, and actually had a bullseye putter that was two-sided so I could actually putt left-handed. So started doing it that way when I was 5, and still doing it today.